Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to study about the next tool, that is a brush tool. So first of all, the brush tool is used to draw and paint the brush like strokes. It lets you create a special effects including the calligraphic graphic effects. You must have seen various creative drawings, 3D effects, creative handwriting, so that are known as a special and the calligraphic effects. The various steps to use the brush tool are given below. First is select the brush tool. After that, select fill color from the property inspector window. Then click on the brush mode modifier and select the painting mode. So in the brush mode modifier, various options or various painting modes are available. Let us study about the options. First is paint normal. It paints over an area on the stage, including the strokes and the other fills. Then next is paint fill. It fills the empty areas and the existing files, but not the strokes. Paint behind. It paints only around empty areas on the stage, but it will not affect the existing lines and the fills. Then paint selection. It will paint only inside the areas selected by you or the selected areas. Paint inside. It allows you to begin a brush stroke inside a selected area and thereafter it will paint only within that area. The fourth step is from the property inspector. You may also change the size of the brush and the shape of the brush. Select brush size and brush shape from the brush tool modifiers. Then click and drag on the stage option to draw. So here you will see that in the brush tool, the last option, that is to select the brush size and the shape of the brush, is available. This is the brush tool. Then when you will select a brush tool, the second option is to go to property inspector window and make various changes. Then the third option is to select the brush mode modifier, which painting mode you want. We have seen many options like paint selection, paint fill, normal mode. Okay, so you can select any of the option you want. After that, we can change the brush size and the brush shape with these two tools. After that, you have to go to the stage and start drawing. So here the person have drawn the fish. Okay, so this is the use of the brush tool, and here you will see that from this step, from this option, various modes will be available like paint normal, paint fill, paint behind, paint selection, paint inside. Okay, so select any of the mode, then select the size of the brush and the shape of the brush and start drawing. The next tool is a paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool allows you to fill enclosed areas with colors. It also used to fill empty areas. Let us see the steps to use the paint bucket tool that are listed below. First is select the paint brush tool. After that, select fill color in the property inspector. Click the gap size modifier. Choose the gap size that is to be closed. Then click inside the shape that is to be colored. So here the person have colored a triangle with a red color. Okay, so that is a use of paint bucket tool. It will allows you to fill the colors in the enclosed areas. The next is the ink bottle tool. The ink bottle tool is used to change the stroke color, width and the style of the lines and the shape outlines. The various steps to use an ink bottle tool are listed below. First is select the ink bottle tool. So here you will see an ink bottle tool is available. Then the second step is to select a stroke color, the size of the stroke and the thickness from the property inspector window. Third is click on the line to apply the stroke modification. You will observe a change in the style of the line. Okay, so this is the use of the ink bottle tool. Next is an eraser tool. This tool is used to remove strokes and fills. You can quickly erase everything from the stage. You can even erase individual stroke segments or filled areas or erase by dragging. The eraser tool can be either round or in the square shape. There are different eraser modes available in the Flash, such as erase normal, erase fills and erase lines. Okay, so this is the use of an eraser tool. So on the left hand side, you can see the use of eraser tool. Using an eraser tool, some of the lines of the house are erased. Okay, so the eraser tool is used to remove the stalks and the fields. And eraser can be in two shapes. Which are they? You can use a round eraser, else you can also use a square eraser. Okay, so with this we are finishing the concept of various tools. Now the next topic is importing an image that we will see in our next class. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.